But if you feel just the rings.
Oh.
So that's what the rings are supposed to look like.
Yeah.
I think we might get away, not on, but after 20.
Okay.
You're looking at $200 in parts just to put a whole new valve train in it.
Well, that's nothing.
A civilian block. These rings are
Kind of interesting.
Yeah, that is. On the sides,
we put a new front.
wall and everything seems all.
Okay. I
It
kind
was
of figured.
repainted when I got it.
Just by the way he was running.
The hardware, all the axle. Well, this tub is gonna
Once it's doing, it's doing.
exactly.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, they both.
Okay.
Your gauge, I think the temp gauge. I think I have a gas tank for you.
Oh.
Because I don't think they would. And then we'll do a little.
Make these as solid spots because that.
I'll get needle scale. We'll go
Oh.
off of it.
Check that out. You can see these things right here. Is this
So-
for the bench or?
The upper shock tower.
tools in there,
Yeah.
honestly. Fair enough.
You shouldn't need them.
Okay.
Manual. Well, you just put a tool roll in here, but
Like that.
This thing was.
Colorado.
Yeah,
so
so
it'll probably
probably-
take your. This is the needle scale.
Dope. Oh wait, but
2, 3.
That came with these on that side, but
hey, see, here's that. So we just used.
You can.
Pro steering wheel.
Really? That's cool.
Springs, but yes to the shock. Well, it really, some of them will be cracked, but you won't see it.